You are at that point where you know one day you are going to purchase a home. Or better yet, let's start right now because your credit does also impact the cost of a couple of things. The biggest one is probably insurance for your car. Another one could also be a job. What we're going to do is go to that website, annualcreditreport.com. Once you get to that website, there are a couple of things that I want to highlight to you. Eventually, we're going to go and request for your free credit report. I know possibly your bank or your credit card, or you're going to another platform like Credit Karma that gives you that information. Here we're using this to dispute a couple of things and also to get started. Some of us, you don't even know whether you have a credit file or not. Therefore, this is a good starting point, and it is going to present to you the three major credit bureaus: TransUnion, Equifax, or Experian. This all depends on whom your creditor, meaning whom you owe money, is going to report to. So, for example, if you have a car note, then whomever you're paying that money on a monthly basis might report to Equifax. And then you have a credit card that reports to TransUnion. You're allowed to get a free credit report. This website says every 12 months, but I believe you're able to now get it every month. Either way, the exercise here is for you to get started. What we're going to check out is first a little bit just about credit reports. What is a credit report? It is just a snapshot of where you are when you're using other people's money. Someone gave you money or lend you money. Now, how are you using someone else's money? How quickly are you paying them off? And so on is going to be presented on your credit report. Another one might not even be that you owe anyone money, but this is your file that is also tracking your where you might be employed and also your addresses and names as well. So here it's also going to include your names, who else has pulled up your credit, and anything else that is public information. What are you going to be looking for? To echo, you're going to make sure that everything is okay. Does your name, especially for someone like me, where I have to spell out my name, my last name often, someone might have typed it incorrectly in their database. So I do want to make sure that's correct. Address as well, even if it includes a unit number or a suite number, and there shouldn't be one. That's what I found in mine. Then you're able to make that correction, and here's where you're going to be able to follow those steps. Let's get you started. Click on Request Your Credit Report. You're going to start the process. You're going to pick which one you want. Honestly, for this exercise, pick one. I have done this where every year I'm coming and I'm picking a different one. And then before you get your report, you're going to be asked personal questions that you should know the answers to. And you'll be able to save that report. You might get solicitation to get your credit score. That's your choice. If you decide you want to get the credit score and you don't want to be charged, then make sure you cancel within that allocated trial period time. So once again, go to annualcreditreport.com. Get started. We're here to help you. My name is Brenda Kasuva, broker at CAST Realty. Until next time, please share.